Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the variation of ionization energy through the periodic tables. As you know that ionization energy in the periodic table from left to right increases along the period and top to bottom along the group decreases. Now we discuss here now along a period from left to right, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. In general, nuclear charge increases here if move from left to right, nuclear charge increases, so that ionization energy also increase here. In general, ionization energy of beryllium is greater than lithium, boron is greater than beryllium, carbon is greater than boron, and so on, due to the nuclear charge. And in a group downward, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, downward group, that is a group, size increases, so that ionization energy decreases. It means that from this to this ionization energy increase, and from this to this ionization energy decreases. In general, now we discuss along the period first period there are only two elements. One is hydrogen, another is in the last stage helium. Here, due to nuclear charge of helium is increases. Here this increases, so that ionization energy also increase. As you see that along this ionization energy increase, along this decrease, so that helium has the highest ionization energy in the periodic tables, so that helium H has highest ionization energy in the periodic table. Now, in period second, like lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Here is 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. Now, if you write the electronic configuration of lithium, 1s2, 2s2, 213, 224, 22415. In this case, 6, 224 and 26. Here, 1s2 and 2s2, this is the fulfill orbital 2s2. In this case, P1, P2, P3, 2p3 is half filled because P has 6 electrons, so that this is a half filled orbital, this is a full filled orbital, and this is also here the full filled orbitals, so that ionization energy of this after that ionization energy of this is greater than this boron, this element comes here, this element also comes here. It means that यदि हाफ फील्ड या फुल फील्ड हो उस परिस्थिति में एलिमेंट मात्र एक एलिमेंट आगे जाता है, ऐसा नहीं कि 2-3 एलिमेंट चला जाएगा, जो है केवल एक ही एलिमेंट से आगे बढ़ेगा. सो दैट आयोनाइजेशन एक्चुअल ऑर्डर ऑफ आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी इक्वल टू लिथियम, देन बोरान, आफ्टर दैट बेरिलियम, देन कार्बन, after that oxygen, then this comes here nitrogen, after that chlorine and neon. So that actual order of ionization energy is this, but in general ionization order of ionization energy is general. This is a exceptional case here, and actual order of ionization energy lithium less than boron, less than beryllium, less than carbon, less than oxygen, less than nitrogen, less than chlorine, and less than neon. It means that neon has the highest ionization energy of this period. This is second period. Now in period third, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. It's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here 2 8 1 11. This electron comes 3s1, another 2 electron 3s2, 3 electron 3p1, 3p1, 11 3p2, p3, p4, p5 and p6 electron. Now we see that this is 3s2 full filled orbital, 3s orbital full filled. This is a partial filled. This is partial filled because orbital p has capacity 6 electron. This is a half filled because capacity of p orbital is 6 and only 3 electrons, so that this is a half filled. This is partially filled, this is a full filled, so that ionization energy of this is greater also. Now actual order of ionization energy equal to sodium, this comes here, sodium, after that aluminum, then magnesium, after that silicon, this comes here, sulfur, then phosphorus, chlorine and argon, so that actual order of ionization energy sodium less than aluminum, less than magnesium, less than silicon, less than sulfur, less than phosphorus, less than chlorine and less than argons. इस तरह से हम पीरियड 4 5 में भी जांच कर सकते हैं, फुल फील्ड और हाफ फील्ड लेकर के. इसमें जो है या ऑर्बिटल जो है मात्र एक एलिमेंट आगे बढ़ेगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि 2-3 एलिमेंट छलांग लगाया जाए. अब हम ग्रुप फर्स्ट में और ग्रुप सेकंड में देखें. ग्रुप फर्स्ट में हलीना की रब से फरियाद, बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. दिस इज हियर in this case size increases, in this case size increases, and if the size increases, so that electron lose bonded with the nucleus, so that ionization energy will be decreases. This is decreases. Here this is a francium is the radioactive element. Cesium is the lowest ionization energy of the periodic tables. Now just helium has the highest ionization energy of the periodic table element, and cesium is the lowest ionization energy in the periodic tables. Now in group this size increase, ionization is also decreases. In this case, now we discuss in group 13. Now group 13, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Here I know that in the group downward size increases, so that ionization energy decreases. This is the general rule, but exceptional case here due to transitional construction and indium due to the construction of size and digraph between atomic number and ionization energy, we get the order of ionization energy such that actual order of by graph here, ionization of energy of boron is greater than thallium, greater than gallium and greater than aluminium, and at last indium. It means that it can be learned by here 1, 5, 3, 2 and 4. With the help of this, we can also learn it. Now in group 14, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. I just study about top to downward size increases, so that ionization energy is also decreases. Due to lengthened construction, size of Pb become small. Due to this, ionization energy of this is greater than the lead, so that actual order of ionization energy will be carbon greater than silicon, greater than जर्मेनियम ग्रेटर देन पीबी एंड एट लास्ट जो है 3 एशियन. नाउ वी टेक सम एग्जांपल हियर. Now here some problem first, compare ionization energy of nitrogen and nitrogen ion. Second, compare first ionization energy IE1 first ionization energy and IE2 second ionization energy. First ionization energy and second ionization energy of oxygen and nitrogen. Third question, compare first ionization energy and second ionization energy of chromium and manganese. Now first problem, nitrogen atomic number is 7 2 5 2 or 3 5. Here last electron filled in the p block. Now 3 electron p orbital has capacity 6 electron, only 3 electron present, so that 1 by 1 electron here. This is a half filled. And nitrogen 1 electron removed. This is a 6 2 to 4 to 6, so that this is a partial filled. As you know that half filled and full filled of orbital is stable in comparison to the partial filled, but here for same element this rule don't apply now, but here for the same element this half filled and full filled factor don't apply for same element, so that order of ionization energy is IE3 greater than IE2 greater than IE1, so order will be same. Now second question, compared first ionization energy and second ionization energy of oxygen and nitrogen. Here oxygen atomic number is 8, 1s2 2s2 2p 4 to 6 to 8, and nitrogen 2 to 4 3 7, so that 2p orbital has this part which has 4 electron, and this has nitrogen has 3 electron. This is a half filled, this is a partial filled, and both element and atom are different, so that here applied partial filled and full filled and half filled, so that first ionization energy of nitrogen I1 of first ionization energy of nitrogen is greater than the first ionization energy of oxygen, because it is a half filled and it is a partial filled. But in the second ionization energy, this is a half filled oxygen, this is a half filled and this is a partial filled, so that IE2 second ionization energy of oxygen is greater than the second ionization energy of nitrogen, because it is partial filled, so that second ionization energy of nitrogen is less than, but second ionization energy of nitrogen is less than the second ionization energy of oxygen. This is our answer. Now we take third example. Now third question, compare first ionization energy and second ionization energy of chromium and manganese. Here chromium 24, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d5. Now as you know that electron removed from the valency shell, outermost shell, so that electron removed from the 4s. Here this is a 4s, 1 electron removed, so that we get the 0 electron on the s, and this is a 3d5. This is a half filled IE2, because here ionization energy is greater, but in case of manganese 25, here 3d5 and 4s2, 1 electron removed, 1 electron also here that also removed so that first ionization energy of this here according to the nuclear charge of Mn is greater than chromium, so that first ionization energy of Mn is greater than the first ionization energy of chromium, but due to the half field of this second ionization energy of chromium is greater than the second ionization energy of manganese here, क्योंकि जो है क्रोमियम में हाफ फिल्ड है, सो दैट second ionization energy of chromium is greater than second ionization energy of Mn. Now in the periodic tables here, this is the period and this is the group. Period metallic character decreases here. Metallic character decreases here. Metallic character decreases. Basic character also decreases and acidic character increases. Acidic character increases. So that here metallic character decreases, metallic character increases, metallic character increases, so that basic character also increases, and therefore acidic character decreases. It means that ionization energy decreases. If the ionization energy decreases, metallic character increases, and implies that basic character also increases. Now one problem here. Arranging the basic character lithium oxide, sodium oxide and potassium oxide, Li2O, Na2O and K2O. Now lithium, sodium, potassium in a group. As you see that metallic character increases, metallic character increases. Here metallic character increases, so that basic character is also increases. It means that basic character of lithium oxide is less than sodium oxide is less than potassium oxide. So the order of this basic character is such type of this. Now similar we prepared so many problems in our periodic tables. Now second question here, arranging acidic character B2O beryllium oxide, B2(3)N2O5 and CO2, nitrogen pentaoxide, carbon dioxide and boron boric oxide. Here beryllium, boron, carbon and nitrogen. In this case, as you see that here metallic character decreases, metallic character decreases. In this case acidic character decreases, so that acidic character increases, so that acidic character of nitrogen is greater than carbon, is greater than boron, is greater than beryllium oxide, so that beryllium oxide, it means that the acidic character of nitrogen is greater among this. This is here. After that carbon dioxide, after that B2O3 and at last Be2O beryllium oxide. Now metallic and non-metallic characters, ionization energy decreases. It means that electron removal is and so that in this case such type of property are found in the metals and ionization energy increases. It means that here in the periodic table ionization energy increases, electron removal hard, tough, and electron removal tough, so that is a non-metal. It means that ionization एनर्जी अधिक होने पर वह नॉन मेटल होगा, जो है कोई भी एलिमेंट है जब आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी अधिक होगा, जैसा कि हम लोगों ने पीरियोडिक टेबल में देखा है कि नॉन मेटल जो दाहिने तरफ राइट हैंड साइड में पाया जाता है, जो है। नाउ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब वीडियोस, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स। आप अभी तक यदि वीडियो को लाइक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं, लाइक सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करें, ताकि अधिक से अधिक स्टूडेंट इससे लाभ उठा सकें। थैंक यू।